Hey guys, Vern Dahnke here. So when you finally save enough money to get your first DSLR and you decide to buy it with the kit lens, for me it was the 18-135, is that a do-all everything lens? Can that lens do everything that you need it to do? Let's find out.
Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, click, click.
Oh, I'm so bummed. I just spent $800 on this camera with the kit lens, the 18-135. I thought it could do everything that I needed it to do. It has the 18 for the close-up shots. It has the 135, the extender zoom for the faraway shots. But every time I try to do a shot in low light situation, either indoors or outdoors, the shots are slow to take. And they're blurry, they suck. The shots are just not usable. Man, what do I do? I know, I gotta call Jerry Seasmore. He'll know what to do. Let's give Jerry a call. Hello, Jerry? Jerry Seasmore? Hello? Hello? Yeah, this is Jerry Seasmore. Who's this? Ah, Vern Dahnke, the click and picket guy. Good to hear from you again, Vernon. How are you doing today? Oh, not so good? Why not, brother? What's wrong? Oh, you got one of them kit lenses for your Canon, the 18-135? Yeah, it's no good at low light, is it, brother? No, because the f-stop on that lens only goes down to f3.5, I do believe. And what does that mean? That means that hole in the end of your lens is small. It needs to be bigger to let in more light. Otherwise, your photos ain't gonna work in low light. Yeah, that lens is the maximum of what that lens can do for you, brother. It is. I hate to tell you it, but that's the truth. So you only got two choices. And I'll tell you the easy choice first, brother. Find the length that you use the most, okay? And take that length and buy you a fixed lens that's got the smallest f-stop, preferably 2.8 or smaller number, okay? And that'll let a whole lot of light in, but she ain't got no zoom. You are the zoom. You got the foot zoom. You walk in and you walk out. That's your zoom, brother. I know. Well, the only other option is you spend, are you ready? $2,500 for a Canon 70-200. I think it's at f2.8. Yeah, that'll let in a lot of light, but you got to spend the money, brother. You better sell a whole lot of fine art prints to get that lens. Yeah, so I suggest you buy you a fixed lens. If you're using the Canon, they have a lens called the Nifty 50, and it's so nifty because it's only 200 bucks. And that lens will let in a lot of light, and you will have some options, but you ain't got no zoom, brother. You are the zoom. Your feet are the zoom, okay? Hopefully that helped you. All right, brother, good luck to you. Okay, take care. Bye now. So I hope these videos have helped you in some way. A lot of these things that have happened are experiences that I've had to experience the hard way, and I really didn't have anybody to talk to. So hopefully you find somebody to talk to that's similar to a Jerry Seasmore. And if not, you'll have to do a whole lot of looking to find some of these answers. So if my videos have helped you in some way, please consider throwing me a like and also subscribing if you haven't already, and we'll grow together along our journey. Thank you.